Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert a bullet point list in Microsoft Word. So get started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, then show the Word document is now. I can see now insert from the bullet point list. Now select from the text option. Now going to the home menu option. Now click with the bullet list option. Now click for the bullet points option. That's it. Then again, now select from the text. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the bullet point option. That's it. Then show the insert bullet point list in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.